Hey ChatGPT, help me create a detailed plan for a software development project. If you're still asking AI like this for project management in 2026, you're already outdated. AI is now more powerful than you think. It's no longer just a tool, it's a game changer. If you don't upgrade yourself, yeah, you're getting left in the dust. But you know what? The best project managers don't worry about AI replacing them. They use it like a chip in their head to reach goals faster. So why are so many project managers low-key scared of AI? Because AI is basically doing their to-do list. Research? Done. Data analysis? Done. Writing docs? Done. Meeting notes? Done before the meeting even ends. It can even spit out a project plan while you're still opening the tool. These are the things project managers used to spend hours on, and now AI does it faster and cleaner without asking for a coffee break. So yeah, it's easy to wonder, am I still needed here? But here's the thing you need to know. AI can't manage people. It can't understand the chaos of real-world project challenges. And let's be real, it definitely doesn't own accountability. The big difference is AI handles data. Project managers handle decisions, priorities, and, well, everything else. So, obviously, AI doesn't replace project managers. It just replaces those who don't adapt. Simple as that. Next are the 5 things successful project managers do with AI to achieve the goal. First thing, stop asking AI random stuff. Give it the right context. Let's say you're asking AI to help create a plan for an app development project. If you go to AI with a vague create a project plan, it's going to give you something generic, not helpful, right? Instead, you should provide detailed context like this. Project goal: develop a mobile app that helps users manage personal finances, sync data with banks, and track monthly expenses. Timeline constraints: the project must be completed within 6 months, with a beta launch scheduled in 3 months. Team capacity: the team consists of 5 developers, 1 QA specialist, and 1 UX UI designer. Risks and dependencies: we depend on the bank's API to sync data, and there may be risks if the API doesn't work correctly. Definition of success: the project's success will be measured by the timely release of the beta version, no critical bugs, and high user ratings for ease of use. With this information, AI can actually help with real actionable steps. It won't just spit out a generic plan, it'll offer solutions, risks, and specific advice. Second, use AI as a co-pilot, not the boss. AI is excellent at assisting with tasks, but it lacks the human touch when it comes to making tough decisions. For example, with the app development project, AI can help you research banking API, analyze usage data, and suggest new features. But guess who's still making the big calls? It's you, project managers. What gets prioritized? How to handle that uncooperative API? How to keep stakeholders calm when things go wrong? AI handles information, you handle the decisions, done deal. Third, use AI constantly, not occasionally. AI is not a one-time thing. It's like your project's right-hand buddy that stays with you from start to finish. At the start, you use it to shape the roadmap, spot risks early, turn messy ideas into clear requirements. During execution, you lean on it to break down tasks for your devs, draft user stories and acceptance criteria, summarize stand-ups and sprint reviews, help you prep for stakeholder updates in minutes. And near the end, it's there to create launch checklists, draft release notes, analyze feedback from beta users, help you prioritize what to fix first. The key is this: don't visit AI, work with it. Every time you think, this is going to take 30 minutes, that's your cue to pull AI in. Fourth, know AI's limits. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. Great PMs know when to lean on it and when to pause and say, AI relies on historical data, so if your project's totally unique, it might miss key details. It doesn't get the people side of things. Burnout, team dynamics, and office politics. Yeah, AI's clueless there. And it can sound so confident, but still be wrong. Like, hey, I picked the best API for you, but you know from experience that it crashes in the middle of the night. Finally, build a solid system before asking AI for help. Here's the hard truth: AI can't fix chaos. If your project is a mess, AI will make the mess louder. That's why great PMs do the boring but critical stuff first. Clear tasks, realistic timelines, clean data. So, when AI looks at them, it actually understands what's going on and can suggest timelines or dependencies that make sense. With clean data in, that means useful insights out. Now, let's talk tools. Skills matter, but tools matter too, and not all AI tools are the same. Standalone AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude are great for generating ideas, drafting docs, summarizing meetings. They're powerful, but only if you give them good data and context. Integrated AI built directly into project management tools like TaskFord. That's where things get smooth. Automate task management, help prioritize work, track progress in real time. Custom AI solutions. For bigger teams or complex projects, custom AI is the next level. These systems are built around company-specific data, internal workflows, real business logic. AI that feels less like a tool and more like part of the team. AI is only powerful when your project data is clear and structured. When you combine strong PM skills, clean systems, and the right AI tools, AI stops being just AI and starts becoming a serious competitive advantage. So no, you don't need to fear AI replacing you. Master it and you'll use AI to elevate your work and focus on what actually matters: strategy, leadership, and innovation. It's 2026. Let's stop working harder and start working smarter. Follow us for smarter work delivery and project management tips.